Hi, this is Will with Right Touch Electrical, and today we're in our customer's attic. They called us out because they were worried about some bad electrical work, and so we came out and took a look at it, and we found a couple really dangerous things. Number one, someone needed to add a plug years ago for like a garage door opener, and so what they did is they cut into the house wiring. They did an open splice, which meant they didn't put it in a proper electrical box, which is there to stop fires and to have a proper spot to make all the connections. And then they ran this wiring here. This is THHN wiring, and this is more of a commercial grade application. You can see it's not protected with an outer covering. Extremely easy to get damaged. And what you're supposed to do is put it in a conduit. Now over there, it went to a garage door opener. And underneath, we're going to show you in a minute, is they ran an extension cord to a second garage door opener. We're going to install 2 plugs. We're going to properly wire it. Also, we're going to fix this as well. At some point, somebody also cut into this wiring and spliced it. We're going to put it in a proper electrical box and make their attic as safe as possible. Here's where it went to, this plug right here for this garage door opener. And so of course we're going to rewire that wire, but you can see this white extension cord that feeds this light in this second garage door opener. We're going to run another wire and add another plug for both of these. You never want to have extension cords used as permanent wiring, so we're going to get rid of that for them today.